What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be replacing the positive crankcase ventilation valve on my brother's Mercury Grand Marquis, also known as a PCV valve. So there's a maintenance required item that people usually forget to replace, and if you don't replace it, you could experience your car burning too much oil from the exhaust, or rough idling, or RPMs fluctuating. So yeah, this is a really easy and simple job that even my dog could do it. But he's currently busy right now guarding the house. So yeah, let's get to it, you guys. Let me show you how it's done. Follow me. Gotta open the hood first though. Here you go.
Check out the drip. It's Friday, so you know I gotta look good. The PCV valve is located on the passenger side valve cover, and it's connected to a rubber hose. Disconnect the hose from the PCV valve. The hose should pull straight off with a little resistance. On the later models, there should be a clip that you will have to undo. Loosen the PCV valve using an adjustable wrench. Twist it off counterclockwise. Wipe any debris from the valve cover. The PCV valve is designed to vent the air pressure vapors from the inside of the crankshaft and run it back into the intake manifold to burn it. It's recommended to replace the PCV valve every 35 to 60,000 miles. If the PCV valve has become worn or covered with dirt, replacing it will help you ensure the engine runs smooth and efficient. On the later models 2005 and up, the PCV valve has an electrical connector, and the valve is expensive. I'm installing some hose clamps because this rubber hose is an aftermarket part and it felt a little loose. Check the condition of the hose and verify that it's not cracked or clogged up with buildup. If the hose is damaged or full with debris, it should be replaced.
If you guys like this video, make sure to hit the like button, consider subscribing or not. I mean, it's up to you guys. I can't force you. Or can I? Nah, I can't. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Late.